Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for this video, I will share my lemon meringue pie recipe. For the crust, we need 3/4 cup butter, 1/2 cup confectioner sugar, pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. For the filling, we need 300 ml of water, 200 grams of granulated white sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 100 ml lemon juice, 40 grams of cornstarch, 2 egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. For the meringue, we need 4 pieces egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1/2 cup granulated white sugar. In your bowl, use wooden spoon and then mix your butter. It should be soft ha, dapat malambot na si butter. And your confectioner sugar. After this, add na natin si all-purpose flour. Mix this one until mag-dough-like siya. Okay? Like this. Then, pa-rest natin around 30 minutes. Now, let's make the filling of the lemon. In your saucepan, mix in your water. If you want na mas maasim, go ahead. You can use lemon juice here. Then your sugar, your lemon juice, your cornstarch, salt, tsaka yung egg yolk. Mix this one first and then turn on natin yung fire at medium heat. And so thick na si custard. Turn off the fire, tapos lagay na natin si butter. Tapos set aside natin. Then I have here baking paper, tapos dyan natin i-roll out si crust. Yung laki ni crust, kailangan kasya here. This is your pie plate. Kailangan 1/4 inch thick siya ha. Ito yung maganda if you use cling wrap. Kasi mas nakikita mo yung pag-spread ng dough. So, okay na yung laki. Transfer na natin here. Lift, then transfer. Then, press aside para pag-remove natin later, makuha mo yung mga groove. So, ready na si crust. Lagyan natin ng hole para hindi siya mag-angat masyado. Then, let's bake this one at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. La 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 la. Our crust is baked already. Lagay na natin si custard. Let's chill this one for about 30 minutes. Now, let's make the meringue. So, whip first your egg white and your cream of tartar. Then, slowly add your sugar. Kunin natin si meringue and then pipe natin on top. I have here round tip, yung isa star tip. Pipe natin. Once okay na, let's get the torch. Sunugin natin. Get the star tip. And then pipe again. let's decorate with lemon. There you go, our lemon meringue pie recipe. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!